Now let us learn what is the meaning of dividing fractions. Let us say 4 upon 5 divided by 2. What is the answer to this? So let us assume a chocolate bar divided into 5 equal parts and 4 out of 5 parts are shaded. And I want you to divide that into 2 equal parts. So this would be the first part and this would be the second part, and in this way these 4 parts will be divided into 2 equal parts. So the final answer would be 2 equal parts but out of 5. So these were 4 equal parts out of 5, but the half of that is 2 equal parts out of 5. So the answer to this will be 2 equal parts out of 5. So dividing a normal number is much more easy to understand. But what if we want to divide another fraction to the same 4 upon 5? So what is the meaning of 4 upon 5 divided by 2? What is the meaning of this? So this is a chocolate bar divided into 5 equal parts. 4 parts are shaded. So this is 4 upon 5. Okay. And if I want to divide this into 2, which means how many parts? How many parts or portions should I consider to be shaded if I divide each part in 2 equal parts? That means if I divide these shaded portions into 2 equal parts. Okay, and let's see this also. But now how many parts are actually shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 parts are shaded. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts are shaded and each part is equal. So 8 parts out of the 5 parts. Okay, so these were 4 equal parts out of 5 and these are 4 another equal parts out of 5. So in all there are 8 equal parts out of 5. So this is the first way of writing the answer. But we can just take this part, or we can take this part and we can attach it over here. And the same diagram will now look like this. The first 5 parts are shaded while the last 2 parts are not shaded. So this looks like one entire chocolate bar is shaded and then we divide the second into 5 parts and 3 out of 5 are shaded. So this is one entire chocolate bar and 3/5 of the second chocolate bar. And as we know, this improper fraction 8 upon 5 can be rewritten as one integer 3 upon 5. So in order to divide fractions, what we do is we take the reciprocal of the fraction that comes after the divide sign. The divide sign now gets converted into the multiply sign. So we have to do 2 things. First, we need to take the reciprocal. So what is the meaning of reciprocal? So suppose if you have a fraction like 3 upon 5 written after the division sign, the reciprocal of 3 upon 5 is just the opposite. 5 becomes the numerator and 3 becomes the denominator. And then we need to convert this division sign into the multiplication sign. So the reciprocal of any number, let's say a upon b, a is the numerator and b is the denominator. So the reciprocal of a upon b will become b upon a. The lower number will go above and the upper number will go down. But always remember, denominators can never be equal to 0. And we convert this division sign into the multiplication sign. In order to understand this, let's take the example. What is 5 upon 7 divided by 15 upon 28? So we shall write 5 upon 7 as it is. Yes, do not take its reciprocal also. We should only take the reciprocal of that fraction that comes after the division sign. So what is the reciprocal of 15 upon 28? It is 28 upon 15. And then this division sign can be converted into multiplication sign. And now the rules that apply for multiplication shall be used over here. Either we can multiply 5 and 28 and rewrite as the new numerator, and multiply 7 and 15 and rewrite as a new denominator, or we can cancel whatever is possible. But remember, we can only cancel the numerators and denominators. So 5 ones is 5, 5 threes is 15, 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. So 1 fours is 4 and 1 threes is 3. So the answer is 4 upon 3. Or we can convert this into a mixed fraction. 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. So we can rewrite this as one integer, then the denominator, the remainder, 1 upon, and this 3 as it is. Let's take another example. What is half divided by half? So we shall write the first half as it is, and then convert this division into multiplication, and take the reciprocal of 1 upon 2, which is 2 upon 1. And then we shall multiply the numbers. So we can see that 2 ones is 2, 2 ones is 2. So 1 ones is 1, 1 ones is 1, and 1 upon 1 can be written as 1. We can ignore the denominator if the denominator is 1. And let's take another example. What is 7 upon 25 divided by 21 upon 15? So we have 7 upon 25, and we take the reciprocal of the other fraction. 15 goes up, 21 comes down, and this division becomes multiplication. And if it is possible to cancel, we should definitely go for it. So 7 is a 7, 7 threes are 21, and 15 and 25 go in the table of 5. So 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 25, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Yes, we can cancel the numerators and denominators of the same fraction also. And finally we have 1 ones are 1, and 5 ones is 5. But this time do not make the mistake of writing this as just 5, because 1 is the numerator and you cannot ignore the 1 in the numerator. So 1 upon 5 is the answer. Thank you for watching.